I'm back. I disappeared for a while because I was working on a course called Model-Driven Apps Crash Course. And among all the topics, this one was the most requested by my audience, both on YouTube and Udemy. Regardless, the course is ready. I have the course roadmap in this video so you can see if this is the right course for you. And if you are one of my students on Udemy, the good news is that you can get this course for free. There's a link in the comments and also in the video description. Click on that. It takes you to a LinkedIn post. If you have completed any one of my courses before, get the screenshot of the certificate of completion, post it in the comment. I will get back to you with the free course coupon. Just be aware that there are only 100 free coupons available, and that is based on first come, first served. Now, let's go and take a quick look into the course roadmap and see if this course is worth spending a weekend on it. We start with the Hello World, your first model-driven app that you're going to build it with me. Although it sounds like a very basic thing, but the whole idea is that in this section, I want to walk you through views, forms, data visualizations, chart, dashboards, and navigation. So basically everything that a model-driven app offers, but we are only scratching the surface. So this is how they are, this is where they are, this is how you implement them, but we are not going deep into that. After I have your attention in that section, we start with relationships. Not kind of relationship that you find on the dating apps. We are talking about relationships between the tables. So in this section, we dig into designing forms and views to support table relationships. Now that you know what forms and views are for, in the next section, we go a little bit deeper into forms to see what you can do with forms in the model-driven apps. This section covers quick create form, quick view forms, lookup views, and finally, how the column formats inside your Dataverse table will affect the form design. When we are good with the forms, we go to views. Views don't have much, they are easy to work with, but we don't want to use it just for filter and sort. We want to use them to update, group, and search. And search is not just a basic search. We get deep into the global search, environment configuration, and making everything for the search to work in your model-driven app. And then comes the sweetest part, which is business process flow. This is my favorite section, and we will see how we can design a business process flow to guide the user on the process of working with the data field. So first enter these fields, then if this field is available, the other field is not required or something like that, putting all that logic together in the model-driven app, which to me is the strongest reason to work with the model-driven apps. And after that is done, you know it's party time. Now, roll up your sleeves because we have to get to work.